Hi guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install Grok CLI on Linux operating system, such as Fedora, Red Hat, SUSE, etc. So first here, opening the terminal. So terminal is here. Currently this is loading and now let's increase the size. So there I'm going to write the command. So npm then install -g @webdev today. WebDAV today /Grok -CLI. npm install -g for global WebDAV today Grok CLI. So press enter. Now here some download as well as install process is going on. For this one, net should be connected. 243 package that added in 3 minutes. If I write there Grok --version, so you can see 2.1 that install. Now if I write there Grok, so here you need to give the API key to continue. But when I press enter, then you can have this. Okay, you have this. So when you give here API key, then or directly you can choose the Grok inside your terminal. So their terminal that's open there. Let's write there Grok. So to start using, then give the API key and thereafter you can start using the Grok inside your Windows terminal or Linux terminal. So this is how we can install Grok CLI on Linux. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.